Okay, here's one more video of press-on screw insertion and rod retention. This here is essentially an internal retaining driver, Torx head. Extend the blue tip, retract it, line up the Torx, make sure your clockwise rotation. Dual lead screw. I'm in. I'm out. Now there's another option for delivering screws. It's an external driver right here. Kind of a nice tool. These interface here with some lobes that are machined into the head of the screw. Orient it. Hold it in place, line it up. Remove it. Once that is done, you can either use these insertion rods, which clamp over the heads of the bone screw like this. You advance the pin that expands the spherical head on the wand to retain it. Snap both those in. Slide the appropriate size rod down. And take the inline locking tool, slide that down the wand. Compress the handle, it advances the rod, locks it. Most cases though, I think you'll basically be able to just use, and I sent you a picture of it, a rod holder. So the first step there would be to insert the calipers into the spherical screw heads to get a proper rod size. Do that. This tells me I need a 30mm rod. Remove it. With the rod holder, again, you can shoehorn that rod in. So whether you're going with an open or an MIS approach, that rod holder could essentially deliver this rod in. You're basically holding the rod over one screw head with the rod holder, and then you can use this other tool here, which is basically just called a screw locker. It's got a spherical tip. Go down. This snaps into the head of the bone screw. Once it's in, begin to advance the rod, squeezing the handle. You're in, you're out. Now once that side's done, remove that rod holder. Come down into the other screw head. Squeeze handle. Now we got a fixed construct. Very strong. 3 times stronger than a traditional polyaxial pedicle screw. Much smaller, much more low profile. So that's it. If I need to remove, I can take the removal wand here. And now I got to go back to the gold handled that threads in to the rod. And I use the gold handled inline locker. Slide down the wand. Make sure I'm bottomed out. Squeeze handle. Rod pops off. Remove the wand. Insert the wand in the other screw head. Make sure it's fully threaded, fully seated. One more press of the handle, my rod is off. So, pretty quick.